Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Robotics and Coding Classes. So today we are going to discuss about 7-segment display. So basically 7-segment display is a device which is used to show the numerical value like 0 to 9. So this is only showing single digit value. So we are going to make a circuit board again in this project. Then we are going to do the coding. So for in this project I need one Arduino Uno board, one small breadboard, and for 7-segment display we have to type 7 segments. So that's the 7-segment display, and for this I need one resistor, and that resistor is 220 ohm. So as you can, this is the 7-segment display. In this we have 10 pins, 1 2 3 4 5 is here, and 1 2 3 4 5 is here. Okay, and as you can see, these lines are the LEDs. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 LEDs and one dot LED also, and that is why there are 7 LEDs in this display. So that is why this name is 7-segment display. So now each LED belongs to some pin. Like this is LED number A, that is belongs to pin number A, that's B, that's C, that's D, E, F and G, and that is DP LED. So that is also connected to this pin. So now we are going to do the circuit part, and we are attaching in the breadboard. And the resistor is attached to the common pin. So that's, we have two common pins. We have this one or this one. We can use only one, and then we have to convert this one cathode, because we are using the negative wire and it goes to the ground. So that is why we are using cathode 7-segment display. And now we are going to attach one by one pin to define digital pin. So now I'm going to attach that DP pin number 0. Now attach A pin to pin number 1. B to pin number 2, and then attach C pin number 3, and attach D to pin number 4, attach E pin to pin number 5, then F pin number 6, then the last pin, that is G pin. The G pin is attached to pin number 7. So now our circuit portion is complete. So we are attaching all the pins. So DP pin is connected to pin number 0, E pin is connected to pin number 1, B is connected to pin number 2, C is connected to pin number 3, D is connected to pin number 4, E is connected to pin number 5, F is connected to pin number 6, and G is connected to pin number 7. Now come to the coding part. So in coding part, first of all we have to define all the pins. So for this we are defining all the pins. So DP as 0, A as 1, B as 2, C as 3, D as 4, E as 5, F as 6 and G as 7. And then we have to define these pins are output pins. So in void setup we have to define all the pins, that these are the output pins, like DP is output, A is output, B, C, D, E, F, G. All pins are output pins. So now we have to define the main program, like what we do want to with the circuit. So basically this is the 7-segment display and we want to display some numbers in our 7-segment display. So I am going to write the codes to display the number from 0 to 9. So I am going to start to make a code in void loop. So in void loop, so first we have to start the programming for 0. So how will come 0? So as I know, these are the LEDs and this is connected to some pins, and these are by name, that's A, B, C, D, E, F or G. Like if you want to show 0 number, so we have to switch on these LEDs only, A, B, C, D, E, F, not G. Okay, so that means it shows 0 number. Similarly for 1 we have to just switch on B LED and then C LED, so it shows 1 number. For 2, similarly we have to do the coding till 9 number, then I will show you one by one. So this is for 1, this coding is for 1, this is for 2, this is for 3, this is for 4, this is for 5, this is for 6, then 7, then 8, then 9, and then that's it. Because we are not able to show you the 10 number, because this we are only using single 7-segment display, and only this display only show 1-digit number. So my coding is complete now. So I did my coding from 0 to 9 number, and I am going to show you how is it works. So when I am going to press the start simulation, so here it is showing the number from 0 to 9 every after 2 seconds. Now start simulation. As you can see, it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Oh, fine. And again it repeats the program again and again, because this is the main program and I put all this program in a loop, so that is why it's repeating again and again, and these are the codes. So thank you so much. If you like the project, just like the project and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.